All right, so we're back here. It is time to do some work. We're actually going to take all the panels off, and we'll start from there and then get to the oil. So let's get started.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone.
Got them all off, and now we can really kind of see what other damage there is. Really the right side is good, but the left side, as mentioned, still needs some work. You can see here, look at that stator cover right inside that magneto is exposed. So our little generator needs obviously some new work. So that's going to be the next step. The first step was to make sure we get all the panels off. I still need to take these off, and I will, and that'll probably be in the next one. But for now, this is a good start. It's all I need in order to change this out, put a new one on, new gasket on, seal it up, and then change the oil out. And then I can actually turn it on, and we'll see if it turns on. That will be the magic, if there is any. This is easy stuff. It's child's play. But it is going to get oil all over my pipes. Such is life. There we go. Look at that. So there was still some oil in it, just hanging out in the filter. So I can let this drip out for a little bit, but I don't think I really need to, because that's... Go ahead and put some oil on this, wrap it around the seal, and then put it back on. Then I gotta wipe up all that crap. And then I can put oil in it. Clean that off. Look at that. Filthy. Who had this bike before me? When you put your oil filter back on, you just go like, that's tight. No, just kidding. You don't want to damage anything, but you gotta go tight enough that it's not gonna blow off. And there you go. Oil filter changed. Now I get to make my pipes look nice and shiny. Ooh. All right, well that wasn't a whole lot of oil, so definitely a lot of it fell out of here. So now I can probably safely take this off, and we can get started on that part of this puzzle. All right, with the stator cover, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts you need to watch. When you take them out, chances are some of them might be different lengths. So what we're going to do is definitely try to manage how they come out, and memorize how to put them back in. So when they come out, make sure you know how they went out so you can put them back in the same way. None of them appear to be damaged, which is also equally good. And then don't forget, you also have your magneto clip that you need to undo back here behind your reservoir, so that you can dislocate the entire piece of equipment. At this point, I decided I would time-lapse my repair of the stator cover, which it started going pretty well. You can kind of see as I take the bolts out, and then I do a little bit of a gasket, clean it off, put it back on. Everything seems to go pretty well with the used one that I'm putting on. But I messed up when it comes to filming this whole process like I had intended. I decided I would do a time lapse. You can see me cleaning the windscreen here, the visor. I used some goo off, but the goo off actually, the acetone made it all cracked up. You can see here a quick freeze frame. It does not look as good as I wanted it to, so I ended up just painting that over. On top of that, I did some additional cleaning and removing of that front panel and some cowls, and you can't see the rest of it because I just didn't do it. I ended up just putting in the rest of the work without filming what I should have filmed, and in the next video you will see the final product. So stay tuned, get ready. This rebuild turned out amazing. I think for 2002 this is a really slick looking bike, and I hope you learned something or at least enjoyed some of this video. Okay.